to 5150 Adventures, where today, as you just seen, we are traveling. And are we traveling in the Duramax? No. What are we in?
The Media Machine.
Yeah. James and I and his fiance and his sister, we're all going up to Colorado Springs to a car show that has a food off for food trucks, and it's supposed to be a really cool ordeal. I don't have much information on it. It's called Octane
American Car Show, and then like food truck, 719 food truck battle or something like that.
Yeah, so I'll have more information when we get up there, but it's going to be a pretty cool thing. A lot of cool cars, I imagine. James did this one time before down here in Pueblo West.
Yeah, with the food truck battle. We did this car show off-site at a different place when it was just the car show, but now it's like kind of something I've been to, and then this car show got moved, so now that it's kind of like a similar thing going on. I don't know, it should be pretty cool though.
All right, well, we're going to head on up there and show you guys some pretty cool stuff. All right, so we made it up here. It's over here by Widner Field in Colorado Springs, and it looks like there's a little bit of a car show going on here, boys and girls, dudes and dudettes, whatever you want to say. But look at all the food trucks. So we're going to get set up. So Joe, what's the qualifications to win this car show? Got to be a 52 Chevy or what?
56 Chevy.
56? Oh yeah?
Or
A slammed C10 dually?
I'm not participating.
We got a Joe Barry in the wild, on the prowl to make sure 56 Chevys win this car show.
There is one down there. It's pretty nice too.
Right, so James and I are out here trying some of this food here. Very good. The way it works is you pay to get in and you get some tickets, you get a sample X amount of food, and then whatever one you find out in the end that you like, you go back and you vote for that. So far we've tried 2 barbecue places, and I like both good. I like the second one better.
Yeah, the second one's better.
Yeah. So we'll continue on our thing and see what happens next. So, this is Kelly Meisman's setup here. It's a pretty cool ordeal. 12 valve Cummins, lowered, it's got Kenworth fuel tank stack, everything like that. It's a pretty neat rig. He did a real good job of getting her done. Really neat. It's got the little 4-cylinder Cummins in it. So it's out a 6-cylinder, but it still is pretty cool. And he's got his rat rod with another 4-cylinder Cummins, which is pretty tricked out. So, as you guys seen, there was some pretty cool things from the food courts. Really good food. Really enjoyed it. Really cool cars, really cool people. I got some pictures uploaded in here for some of the winners and participants that got trophies today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a short video, something pretty cool to see. I got to thank James for letting me come out here with him to help him promote his business, as well as letting me get some content of my own while I was here. restaurant.
Oh, yeah. Some good food for sure.
My top favorite I got in mind, but I want to know what James's is.
That's hard. We gave her a couple tickets, but
Let's
I
break
mean,
it down.
Yeah, food-wise, I like the hibachi, but I'm a big barbecue person, so that was hard. But good thing they let us vote for a couple. But then I also like my sweets.
Yeah. So, what did you like more, the little cup or the crepes?
The crepes were pretty long. The cup was good too, but I like the crepes, I think, better.
Yeah. So personally, me, I loved the hibachi. I really did. My number one vote would have to go to one of the barbecue places we went, because it reminded me of good, hearty barbecue. The coleslaw, the pickle, the pulled pork, the way it was done up, the flavor of the
Sweet
sauce.
roll.
Yeah, the sweet roll. So I would say that would be my favorite, and I didn't try the little cup sweet that he tried, so I don't know, but I liked the crepe, and I'm not much of a crepe guy, so that kind of says a lot for me. The cars, some beautiful cars. There's some ratty ones, which I don't dog on that, because look at my truck. But there was some beautiful cars. There's some that deserved awards more than others, but you know, I'm not the judge. But I'm surprised none of the 56 has got any awards. I'm really disappointed in Joe Barry for not being biased, but I'm glad he wasn't biased at the same time. But this was mine and James's little bit of adventure today.
Cars and food. It's a good day.
Very good day.
Hard to beat a day of that.
So, but anyways, guys, I figured I'd bloop this in right at the end. Like I said, have a good day, weekend, whatever it is when you watch this. Please like, subscribe, share, hit that bell, and like it to the moon, guys. You have a good one, and we will see you later.